Well, hello, and I just wanted to show you how many peppers we got off the plants. I went out and picked out everything, and I'm in here rinsing them off. They look fantastic. And now what I'm going to do is finish rinsing them and pickle them. So I'll show you that in a moment. On your marks, get set. Okay, so this is what I was able to make out of all of those peppers. And I also cut up some sweet organic peppers. And we put in dried onions and a little bit of dill. We found a recipe. It was 3 cups white vinegar, 1 cup apple cider, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then of course we added our own special seasonings. Now when I boiled up the sauce and started filling, this one didn't fill up the whole way, so this is an apple extra special because after we filled it up we had to fill up the rest of the way with just straight apple cider vinegar. So I'll probably keep this one for myself. And I learned something today working with peppers. I am susceptible to jalapeno hand. Yeah, I thought I might have been immune to jalapeno hand, but no, I am definitely experiencing the burning skin because I did not use gloves when I was cutting up all of these guys. So I'm excited to see how they taste. This is, of course, the 7th of July, and we'll let them ferment a couple days or whatever, pickle for a couple days, and try them out later. Make that another video. Thanks for watching. Love you later. Bye.